Hi guys, and welcome to episode 1 of HTML Easy. So in these tutorials I'm planning on teaching you how to code in HTML. So it's a pretty easy coding language to learn, it's very basic. It's a good intro one, I think. So if you didn't know, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it's basically what is used to code all websites. So it's kind of like the structure used for all websites. And you can do a lot of cool things with it. And so most of the time HTML is used with CSS to get the styles you see like on YouTube and other websites. So HTML is just the foreground of a website. So first what you want to do is go ahead and open up Notepad. And then once you get to Notepad, you're going to click File, Save As, and then name it to something you want. I'm just going to do HTML easy for this example. And then .html. So this is telling the computer that it's an HTML file. So it'll open it up with like a web browser as well. And then save as type, you're going to want to do all files and then click save. Alright, so now we have our HTML document. And so we still have to tell the computer that this is an HTML document, so it recognizes that this is going to be code for a website. So you're going to want to do an opening tag. It kind of looks like the greater than symbol on your keyboard. And so in HTML, you use these to define the start and end of a specific command. So for this command, we're going to be telling the computer that it's an HTML document. So do an exclamation point and then type doctype HTML. So right there, we just told the computer that's an HTML document, so it'll recognize everything from now on as being code for a website. So we still have to start the website code. So we're going to do opening tag, HTML, and then closing tag. So everything within here will be part of the website. So first you're going to do head, and then you can put title. I'm going to explain what all these mean after I'm done typing these. And then you're going to want to go back and type /head. Okay, so this is saying it is the head of the document. So you put things like the title website. So the title is when you look in like a tab, it'll say like youtube.com or HTML is easy. Something like that. So that's what you're going to use for title. And then, yeah, that's head. Head holds all like the things that aren't going to be displayed on the web page necessarily. So it's kind of all the background things. And so you can kind of think of this as a parent structure. So we have HTML, and then we have head, and then head has kids, so he has title, and then he could also have link, so you can use a CSS document. But for this case, we're only going to be using title. So you can kind of think of that as that. And then also, under head, we are going to have the body, and then you're going to be closing the body with the body tag. And when you're closing, make sure to use a / so that specifies that it's going to be a closing tag. And sorry, I was moving. And so here, this is the opening, and then this is obviously the closing since it has /. Okay. And so now within the body, you can kind of think of it as like an actual body. You put everything that you're going to be displaying on the web page within the body. So we can have text, so we can just have sample text. So we'll just do P, and P stands for paragraph, and you can change the style and things, but we'll go into that later. And so when you're going to be typing something that you want to be displayed, you just type it between the two tags. So I'm going to type, this is the first tutorial. And then I'm going to be closing the tag with a / and then a P and then closing tag. Okay, and so we just put our first paragraph on the page. And so we're not done yet though. We still have to show that we still have to show an ending of the document. So we'll close the HTML tag now. So this is a basic structure of a web page, really. So this is like the most basic, and you'll pretty much have this in all websites. So you'll have HTML, head, title, blah blah blah. Maybe not this, I don't know. So now you can go ahead and save that, and then we are going to open that up. So as you can see, we have a picture of our dog on our web page. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much all there is to adding images to HTML and to your web pages. So thanks for watching. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe for more. And if you didn't understand something, you can just go ahead and comment that, and I'll make sure to try and respond as soon as I can. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.